Happy Sunday everyone, and get ready with me for church. So ito usually yung ginagawa ko sa Sunday, but gumigising ako ng 7 AM daw. Ngayon 6:30 ako gumising para sa vlog na to, and let's go. And line up nila to sa main church. Hindi namin to line. Yan. Okay. So, I'm gonna show you my outfit. This one. Wait. Our outfit for today. And the shoes that I'll be wearing this is the shoes that I'm gonna wear. So cute. Bagay sila. Brown. And for the bag, ito yung usually yung ginagamit ko. Ito, every Sunday. Pero, sabi din naman, pero I think hindi siya bagay sa color. Pero, huwag na tayong mag-iba. Na lang. Diba? Para kasya pa rin yung notebook and everything. So, prepare na natin to. Yung notebook natin. May wipes pa ka dito. Alcohol yan. Alcohol na wipes. And then yung wallet. And then, ito yung ballpen ko. For notes kasi, guys, noon nagdadala ako ng Bible. Dinadala ko tong mga Bible ko. Ito or ito. Pero kasi, nakikita naman sa monitor yung Bible. So, hindi ko na siya dinadala. Ang dinadala ko na lang is itong notebook. So, ngayon, sige, magdadala tayo. Being honest lang. Diba? Ito na lang. Kasi na-miss ko. Guys, ito yung, dito ako nagde-devotion. Pero minsan nakakalimutan ko mag-devotion. Nakakaligtaan. Guilty. But, try my best. May pagkain pa dito. In case may manap ng pagkain sa akin mamaya. Hindi ko nagdadala to kasi meron naman yung alcohol dun. So yeah, ready na ang ating bag. Tingnan ko ako kasya dito yung inumin ko. It's a gift from my cousin. Thank you, ate. Hindi ko na sasabihin yung pangalan. Diba? Private. Kasya naman siya, be. Pero pag dumating ako doon, hawakan ko na lang. Diba? Guys, hindi ako nagbe-breakfast sa Sunday. Fasting tayo. So, maliligo na ako. Oh, maliligo na ako. So, yeah. See you later. Peace. Brush my hair. So, we're gonna do our makeup. Pero, dito kasi yung salamin, guys. So, pasensya na sa lighting. And let's play some music. Yung kakantahin ko mamaya sa church. Let's go. I did my skincare na, guys, kanina. Yung nasa, breakouts. But it's okay. Still beautiful. Di ako gumagamit ng brush. Forever to the king. Without the love of Jesus, I don't know where I would be. Oh, is everything to me. Yeah. To me, in your presence, I have listened. Oh, after all I've seen. Yan, tapos. Here's a fit check. Okay, let's go. I'm taking you to church.
kang lunaan na kakausad, iti may salain na relasyon tayo kay Kuana.
Felt na kulang yun para i-share ko sa inyo yung goodness ni God sa buhay ko. So, it is by grace because bibigay na it's only by the grace of God na adanak magtaktakder kada kayo ita, kalpasan iti panagsagabak iti nakarong masakit. I found myself caught between two battles. Yung ipaglaban ko, yung physical survival ko, that we are not consumed because His compassions fail not. They are new every morning. So, looking back, makita ko
Are you licking the glue? You're eating glue. You're eating